Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can send money with PayPal internationally to another country. Now, first thing you need to do guys, you just need to log in into your PayPal account. By the way, this works on business account or personal account, individual, so this doesn't really matter what type of PayPal you have. This is going to work. By the way, this is going to work also on your it's going to work on your phone if you are using the app, the PayPal app on your phone. Now, first thing you need to do guys, you just need to click here on send. Okay, you can also see here in the top send. Okay, so after that you want to enter here the PayPal, the email address of the person that you want to send the money to. Okay, so even if they live outside of United States, they live in Europe, Africa, you can just enter here their email address, then click next. Okay, so when you click on next, you can also select here the currency. Okay, so let's say that, okay, so I'm going to select here, for example, like whatever currency. For example, I'm going to send it to Canada, for example. Okay, so you send, for example, USD. I'm going to send, for example, $10, and this is exactly how much money the guy will receive in their own currency. Okay, so you will receive $13, but it's Canadian dollars. You can also change the currency to whatever, for example, Australian dollar. When you send, for example, 10, I'm going to send $10, and the person will receive 14 Australian dollars. You can also change any currency here, but if you cannot see here the currency, doesn't really matter. You can just enter here the amount. Okay, the amount you are going to send. Okay, even if you don't see your currency here, just don't select any, just select USD or whatever, and then click what's this for. So for example, then click next. Okay, so when you click on next, this is exactly how much you are going to send. It's $14. If you don't know how much they are going to receive in their own currency, for example, you are sending this to let's say Algeria, for example, you can just search for on Google. You just need to search for dollars to Algerian dinars, and then you can enter here the amount. It's, for example, $100. You will receive in this case this, okay, this amount, as you can see, Algerian dinars. So that's exactly how this works, and then click next and then send it. Okay, that's exactly, this doesn't matter whatever country you are going to, you will be able to send this. Like I said, if you want to know how much they are going to receive, you can just do this and then you will be able to know that. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Drop a like and see you guys next tutorial.